Tutorial using the sharpener over a sink. Soak the whetstone for 1 minute. Begin setup of the sharpener. Loosen the 4 machine screws before setup. Bring the rear section inward. Extend the front end. Secure the whetstone in place. Lock the sharpener and the sink basin simultaneously. Clamp the knife with an 8mm blade depth. Measure and set the sharpening angle to 18 degrees. Begin sharpening. There are 2 sharpening techniques. First, circular motion. Second, push-pull motion. Either method works fine. Flip the knife and repeat with circular motion. After sharpening, switch to 1000 grit. Secure the new whetstone. Use circular motion again. Flip the blade. Check for burrs. Swap in the strop holder. Begin one-way stropping. Flip side. Flip side. Remove the knife. Test for sharpness.